sis, welcome back. So I have yet another cute, affordable wig for you guys. This unit comes courtesy of DIVINITÉ, and this is the sensational Cloud9 Swiss lace wig in Kamile. So her name is Kamile, and I have her in the color Money Piece Hazel. What an interesting name of a color. But yeah, it is so cute and sassy. I think they should have called this one Sassy. But anyway, yeah, love the waves on this unit. It's really going to give you that classic French 20s type style or look, which is so cute. I love the 20s looks, and I think they're so elegant. Here I'm just showing you the unit, showing you the parting space. This is the 13 by 6 Swiss lace parting. It is pre-plucked and it says it's natural density, but you guys, this is extra density on this wig. Like, this wig is super thick. I think I would have given it like maybe 200% density. It's so thick. And yeah, you're gonna see me trying to tame it later with my Lottabody foaming mousse. The cap construction is standard with 2 adjustable straps and 3 combs, 2 in the front and 1 in the back. And it does fit very snug on the head. So I'm not sure how big head friendly this is, but I have more of a small to medium sized head. So I secured my straps on the tightest setting. But if you have a larger cap size, then you can of course make full use of the adjustable straps and just adjust it to your liking. So here I'm just applying my foaming mousse just to smooth down the hairline and get the hair out of the way. Once again, it's a very thick unit, and the parting space and the front of the unit is plucked. It's pre-plucked. However, it can stand a lot more plucking, even along the sides of the hairline can stand a lot of plucking. I did not choose to do that for the sake of this review. If you want to see how I pluck my units and customize the hairline, then just let me know and I will do a video on that. So yeah, here I'm just going in and cutting off the lace, and you will see me going back and forth between my scissors and my razor. But girl, can we just take the time to appreciate the waves on this unit? The color, the ombre, dark root, blending into the hazel color. It's just so beautiful. I think it's the perfect blend. Whoever is cutting and styling and coloring these units is really doing an excellent job for a synthetic unit. Like, look at that. Look at those waves, and the cut is perfection, absolute precision. I just don't think it gets better than this with this type of style. Not to mention the multiple parting options and just the ability to rock it in different styles and different textures. You can rock it with a, more of a dry texture or a full texture, or you can tame it down and rock that wet look, that sleek wet look. I can see that with like a business suit or a smart blazer for a business casual look, like a smart blazer and jeans, or something like that with your favorite bag. You guys, there's so many options, so many options. The sky is the limit. I love it. So yeah, I also had the idea to like not wear apart, but just kind of bring it down into like a bang fro type of situation and wear it like that, like with the hair. I'll show you. I'll show you, not in this video, but I'll show you in my next one because I'm going to be wearing this for probably the next week or so. So you just saw me apply my adhesive, which is my Got to Be Glued free spray. And I'm just going in and laying down the hairline. Once again, using the end of a rat tail comb really helps to get the small bits of the lace that you may have missed when you were cutting it off. And it also helps just to secure it really well to your skin. And then you're going to see me use my hair dryer on a warm setting. Yes, I said a warm setting this time, to melt the lace into my skin. I found that the warm setting works best to melt the lace more so than the cold or cool setting, which makes sense because you're melting, right? You need heat, not the hot setting though. Just make sure that it's on the warm, low setting and you'll be fine. So yeah, I'm just cutting some baby hair right now, and I'm going to go ahead and lay that down. Really just prepping and forming it because I am going to go in later and use my foaming mousse to perfect it. But yeah, that's what my edges are going to look like. So I'm taking my Fenty foundation into the parting space now. And I found that when you use a full coverage, a good full coverage foundation that matches your skin tone in your parting space, it helps to hide the knots a lot better than if you just use a regular, everyday drugstore foundation that is more liquefied. I found that that works best for me, and then I just go in with a brush that has a little leftover powder on it. I don't add powder, I just use the leftover to cover that foundation. And that works best for me so far. So yeah, if you're able to do that, that works. So now back to the foaming mousse, more foaming mousse. Just want to tame it a little bit more. It's just so full. Y'all look at that. So yeah, gonna tame it some more. We have to make it behave. But y'all, look though, look at how it makes the waves pop. Like, oh my gosh, that is just so beautiful to me. So yeah, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go in and hide the edges of the lace because I didn't want a lot of baby hair. So I'm just gonna use an eyeliner pencil, and this one is very soft, so it's just gonna kind of cover the light edges around your lace where you cut it off. You know what I mean? So that won't show. Instead, it'll just look like the dark root of my hair. So yeah, doing that and then just going back in with the foaming mousse to perfect the baby hair a little bit more. All the details to purchase this unit will be in the description box below, along with this coupon code, which will save you 10% at checkout. So yeah, don't forget to check the box. So I'm just going to touch up my makeup here because I applied so much product. It's all over my face. But yeah, this is the look, you guys. Don't you love it? Do you love it? Let me know in the comments below your opinion, your thoughts about this unit. Here is the back. I'm just giving you a little bit of a 360. Well, not a 360, but a 180. Look at that movement though. So this is the finished look, and oh my gosh, so classic, so elegant, so chic. I really love it. Just want to say thanks once again to DivaTress for sending me this unit and collabing with me on this video. You guys are great. And yeah, ladies, I will see you guys in my next one.